Symptoms of a bad tie rod? A tie rod is a crucial component of a vehicle's steering system, and when it goes bad or becomes worn, it can lead to various handling and safety issues. So, before starting the video, please like this video, do subscribe and turn on the notification to our channel for future updates. Here are common symptoms of a bad tie rod. Steering play or looseness. Excessive play or looseness in the steering wheel is a common sign of a bad tie rod. When you turn the steering wheel, there may be a delay or lack of response before the vehicle begins to change direction. Vibrations in the steering wheel. A worn tie rod can cause vibrations or shaking in the steering wheel, especially when you're driving at higher speeds. This can make the steering wheel feel shaky or unsteady in your hands. Uneven or excessive tire wear. When a tie rod is failing, it can result in uneven tire wear. You may notice that the tires on one side of the vehicle are wearing out faster than the others. This can lead to the need for premature tire replacement and affect overall handling. Pulling to one side. If one of the tie rods is damaged or worn more than the other, it can cause the vehicle to pull to one side while driving. This can require constant steering correction to keep the vehicle traveling in a straight line. Knocking or clunking noises. Worn tie rods can produce knocking or clunking noises when you turn the steering wheel or go over bumps. These noises typically come from the front of the vehicle and may indicate that the tie rods are loose or damaged. Difficulty steering. A failing tie rod can make it more difficult to steer the vehicle, particularly at lower speeds or when parking. The steering may feel heavy or require more effort than usual. Fluid leaks. Some vehicles have power steering systems that rely on hydraulic fluid. A damaged tie rod can cause fluid leaks from the power steering system, leading to a loss of power assist and making steering more challenging. Visible damage. In some cases, you may be able to visually inspect the tie rod for damage. Look for signs of bending, cracking, or excessive wear on the tie rod itself, as well as at the connection points with the steering knuckle and the inner tie rod end. Alignment issues. A bad tie rod can affect the vehicle's wheel alignment. If you notice that the steering wheel is off-center when driving straight, it could be due to tie rod issues. Steering wheel doesn't return to center after completing a turn. The steering wheel should naturally return to the center position. If it remains off-center or requires manual correction to return to the center, it may be due to a worn or damaged tie rod. Difficulty maintaining a straight line. A damaged tie rod can make it challenging to keep the vehicle traveling in a straight line. This can lead to frequent steering corrections to stay in your lane. If you experience any of these symptoms or suspect a problem with your vehicle's tie rods, it's crucial to have the issue inspected and repaired by a qualified mechanic as soon as possible. Ignoring tie rod problems can lead to poor vehicle handling, compromised safety, and further damage to other steering components. Replacing worn or damaged tie rods is essential for maintaining proper steering and overall vehicle performance. What do you think of our video? Let us know in the comments section below. If you enjoyed this video and want to hear from us again, be sure to hit that subscribe button before you go. Thanks for watching.